seem to be loving florals quite a lot this year. Hi, I'm RGV and you're watching RGV Love, where I am the crazy Indian mother. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. A lot of you have asked me to do a video on how to play with your baby or on baby toys, and I am going to do this in 3 parts. The first part, which is this one, is for baby age 0 to 6 months old, and then there'll be one for 6 months to 12 months old and 12 to 18 months old. Let's dive right into it. For babies who are 0 to 6 months old, here are my recommendations. Number 1 is a baby play gym, and you might feel that fine, baby play gym, maybe you mean 3 months plus. No, I mean from birth. A baby as young as 0 months old can still enjoy a play gym. Basically, try and get play gyms where there are things hanging from the top, where slight movements can create sounds. I personally loved and still love the Fisher-Price piano play gym. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. It was the best toy Aravind had when he was a baby. That was literally the only toy he played with. He didn't play with soft toys, he didn't play with rattles, he didn't play with those traditional silver rattles. He played in his play gym. He was really tiny, and I would place him in his play gym and he would just keep staring at the toys. And when your baby is like 0 to 3 months old, 3 months plus, they still kind of start doing some activities, but when they're at the age of 0 to 3, they don't know, they don't nothing, they don't know what to do. They just lay there and they just look up, and the only way you can interact with them and the only way you can kind of engage them is to have things on top of them, because that's where they're looking, right? And play gyms are the best for that. Second one is books. I highly recommend books. Maybe not for a baby who's just born. The baby who's just born would probably not even be awake for so long, but around the time your baby starts staying awake for more than 15 minutes, if the baby is awake for 20 minutes, half an hour, you can engage them in some high contrast books. These are easily available in the market right now, or you can just print out black and white photos, or I don't know, just show them colorful stuff. The reason I say books is because A, it's very important to introduce the love of books to your children who at a very young age. It's important to do it. The reason I say books is not just the fact that your child will get to look at something, but also the fact that you will get a chance to interact, because as an adult, you really don't know what, you don't really know what to say to a newborn. You don't, like, it's little difficult to converse. I think it gets easier as they grow up, but when they're like newborn, it's really difficult to understand how to converse with a newborn. So if you have a book there, if you have things that you can talk about, it's good for you, because then you start talking. And honestly, at that point of time where the baby is really new in the world, all the baby wants is his mother or father or relative or whoever you are to the baby to just be around and just interact with them. Number 3 is teethers, and you would be like, wait, teethers as toys? Yes, teethers as toys. Because honestly, Aravind, like, at least for my baby, Aravind never used teethers as teethers. Like, he never, like, even if his teeth were hurting, it, like, he wouldn't search for a teether. But he did enjoy putting them in his mouth. Babies that age, again, love to put things in their mouth. Not just that age, I mean, Aravind is 18 months old, he still eats things. He's not supposed to eat. But the point is, teethers are really helpful and kind of enjoyable. Your little one can just nibble on them. Number 4 is cot mobile. Cot mobile is really important. Again, it's something that you can use from 0 months like onwards. From the day the baby is born, you can have a cot mobile if your baby will be in a cot. Again, it's important because your baby will be lying below, the cot mobile will be on top, the baby is looking on, towards the ceiling, make the ceiling interesting. Basically, that's the concept. Again, newborns identify highly with black, white and red when they're just born. Those are the colors that they can see clearly. So if you're looking for a baby who's about to be born or is just born, then try buying a cot mobile with these 3 contrasting colors. I know we all find those really pretty cot mobiles in Pinterest. You go to Pinterest and you write in cot mobiles and they're like heavenly, they're like fairies and feathers and delicate and this and that. Nah. because ultimately the cot mobile will be rendered useless the minute your child can like semi-stand. Like Aravi would pull himself up on his cot and just pull that cot mobile down. So it wasn't useful for a very long time, but it was very useful and kind of very important for when Arivir was just a baby, because I mean it just was. And number 5, last but not the least, is your face. And yes, your face is your baby's toy. In fact, you entirely are your baby's toy for the rest of his life. But honestly, when a baby as young as 0 to 6 months old, the only thing they basically need is you, and they need your face, and they need your expressions. They need you to talk to them, they need you to smile and laugh and make funny faces, stick your tongue out. You know, babies as young as 3 months old can understand the concept of communication by simply sticking their tongue out. So if the baby's sticking their tongue out, and babies do that at times because they're babies, if you respond by sticking your tongue out, and if you do that a lot of times, the baby understands that this is communication. So the best toy honestly that you can provide for your baby is yourself. Anyways, that's it. Those were my top 5 toys for babies aged 0 to 6 months old. If you're interested to know more about best toys for babies aged 6 to 12 or 12 to 18, then make sure to click the subscribe button, because those are coming up really soon. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.